Good morning. Welcome to MarineMax Sarasota. My name is Adam Morse, and today we're going to walk through the 2018 Boston Whaler 21 Dauntless. This is a trade with less than 30 hours on the motor. So we're going to walk up. We're going to start with the bow. Get a nice safety bow rail here. Great for kids. Nice bow cushions. We have a Baitwell right in front of the console. We've equipped this boat with a fiberglass hardtop. Offers great shade, nice and sturdy. When we look at the helm area, we have the Raymarine Axiom with a VHF radio, SmartCraft gauges that will indicate the boat has less than 30 hours. And we also have trim tabs. Nice storage underneath the helm seat. Flip up back bench seat. Lots of seating for a 21-foot boat. And all the way in the back, we have the Mercury 200 Verado. Great motor, nice and smooth. Come down to MarineMax Sarasota, ask for Adam Morse, and we'll give you a personal tour.